Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Sunday, April 14th, and this is my recap of the top viewed videos from Friday. And gold versus the dollar came in number 3 on Friday, so we're going to do a quick recap. If you'd like to see my full top down analysis on gold, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video from Friday morning over there. So gold definitely had a very big spike reversal, but technically to me, I mean, it still has not taken out any structure. Now with the conflict that we had this weekend, most of the time gold actually does end up rallying during, war conflict type scenarios. But with this big impulsive move down, you would think that it would at least make a proper ABC correction before it went up. I'm still thinking that the 25.50 area, around the 61.8, is my most likely target on gold. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, I do have my Fibonacci retracement on this move right here. I don't know if it's just going to keep on trending up like that. It seems more likely to me that it will stop making a move up, but you would think that it would at least make some sort of an ABC shape, something like this. And if it continues to make a higher low by bouncing off one of these fib levels, that would be a really good entry to go long. I still have a target that's quite a ways up there. If it does not break this low, then I'm definitely going to continue to look for longs on these shorter time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner, and don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to the daily live trading sessions and the swing trade setups at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.